'cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video we are going to be getting my sister's hair prepped for her wedding. Yes, my baby sister is getting married. By the time you guys already seen this, she's Mrs. Hornsby, but I'm just prepping this unit for her. So she wanted her hair extra long, so thank you Beauty Forever Hair Company for sending this beautiful VPART wig so that she can have her leave out and for it to just look really kind of natural. So like I said, this is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. This is their WATERWAVE VPART wig in 24 inches, and it's really self-explanatory. I'm just blow drying this unit with, oh, I love this blow dryer, you guys. I just would not go back to any other blow dryer. I have this in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check it out. But it's from Revlon, and I'm just using this to blow dry the hair, and then I'm going to flat iron it with my sister's flat iron. And you guys, it is like, that flat iron, it is worth the money. I believe it's EAP, yeah. I see everyone use this flat iron, and it's because it's literally that good. So you can literally do one pass and the hair is like bone straight. So I'm using that to flat iron this hair, and this is like the footage that I got. So don't be too mad at me. My sister is not one to do these videos, so she was just like, let me get up out of the videos. But the hair is absolutely beautiful, and it held up after having heat, and my sister dyed this blue black, so even after being colored, the hair is just absolutely so soft. It was so silky once flat ironed. I really could not have asked for a better texture for my sister's wedding. Like, this just was absolutely gorgeous, and it held a curl. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking here and let you guys watch what I do have. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.